Well, we're talking streaming now. Netflix having to make some tough decisions. Tudum, the company's fan website dubbed the backstage pass that lets you dig deeper into Netflix films, stars, and shows that you love, fired a number of workers. Now, Tudum was supposed to support Netflix's original content and improve engagement. Now, the layoffs comes just days after the streaming giant's disappointing first quarter results, showing it lost subscribers for the first time in a decade. 200,000 of them, in fact. Now, Netflix spokesperson told Engadget that Tudum is still an important priority for the company, but we are seeing a lot of movement with these streaming services and jobs. You only have to look at what happened recently with what happened with CNN Plus. Dave, what do you think?
I think it is a strange layoff. I think it is a strange time. I didn't know much about this blog, but the more I dig into it, this is exactly what Netflix needs. Retention of those members. They lost 200,000 subs, first time in a decade. What they need is exactly what they founded with this blog, to do some internal marketing and keep those people engaged in this series that they love and not let them cancel subs. So look, I don't really understand the direction of Netflix, in particular, not wanting to get in the sports space. It is no surprise they continue to shed subscribers and added another quarter on top of it that looks ugly. They don't seem to be making the types of decisions that either attract or retain, and their big plan for generating profit is, of course, password protection, which does nothing, raises revenue, yes, but does nothing to retain members or to attract new ones.
I think given the blitz that they had in terms of hiring to get Tudum up to speed and ramp up the number of people that were actually contributing to that effort for Netflix, workers are right to lash out. The other thing that we have to think about for Netflix, though, if you're kind of approaching this from the mindset of an investor, if you're looking at the opportunity to build up some type of fanfare around these shows, the same way that you would have been able to leverage a Tudum, then you are looking at some of the other places that people are already spending their time outside of your platform. And where is that? Outside of social media companies like a TikTok or like a Snapchat or an Instagram. And sometimes that means you lean into some of the influencers where you're able to just layer on either a skin that may go into an in-game or an in-app experience, or whether that's sound or some type of audio that gets leaned into for the influencers. And so that's something that's interesting. We'll see if they lean into that. But at the end of the day, right for the workers to be upset about this, and rightfully so.
Anybody touching this stock right now?
Netflix?
No way. I wouldn't touch it with your money, Brad.
I wouldn't let you touch it with mine.
Oh, I tell you what, down 30%, 60% year to date. It has been ugly for Netflix.